Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited to talk about the WordPress 6.9's versions, a major update of the world's most popular content management system. So WordPress 6.9 is also the generals and it is a bring powerful new tools for the creators, developers and team working on the website. So first of all, the WordPress 6.9 in the focus on making collaborations easier and editing more intuitive. So one of the biggest new features is called that notes, and this is allow use to the leave comment directly on the specific block inside the page or the post. So similar to that, the commenting like the Google Docs, Figma, this is a help them to give feedback. So discuss changes, resolve the issue, right? So where the content is being created. So another excitement is the command platelet. So you can control K, Windows Command K. This tool lets you quickly jump pages and setting actions anywhere in the WordPress dashboard to the saving times and making the navigation faster. So WordPress 6.9 also introduced the new blocks that expand and you design your site. So these are the include some modules. Yeah, so accordions blocks for the collapsibles content like FAQ, math blocks to the right display mathematical formulas, and time read blocks so we show the estimated reading the times, and terms query blocks to the display categories and dynamically. So in team the design to the this update they improve the drag and drop editing better and controls. So over block visibility fit text option that the automatically adjust text side to the look perfect its pace. And for the developers and advanced users, so 6.9 introduced the new ability API. These features laid the foundations for the future artificial intelligence and automation tools. So making it is a easier to the run advanced workflow and integrated the external system. So performance wise and accessibility has been the improved. The WordPress 6.9 is deliver faster pages, loading better script handling and the optimize so database operations more than 17 accessibility enhancement to the Mac website easier to for the everyone's. In the summary, so WordPress 6.9 is a major step forward. So it is just not the writing and designing content but through the teamwork and performance and the future innovations. So whether you are the blogger, business owners and designers are the developers, so this is update give the powerful features, improve how your work and create online. So yeah, step by step we are the discussing with the what's the futures is bring in the WordPress. So first you can see that here is a visual drag and drops. Okay, so design flow the naturally. So building layout is now the initiate and flexible with the clear. So drag handles and the live preview show the exactly what you moving in faster builder pages. Second thing is command platelet everywhere. So you are the tools always at hands. So access the command platelet from the any part your site, whether you are the writing your latest post and deep in design in the site editor or the browsing you're the plugging everything. So need just a few the keystrokes away. Next, fit text the containers. Okay, so a new typography options for the text-based blocks, starting with the paragraph heading blocks that automatically adjust font size and to fill its the container perfectly. Ideally for banners, callouts, and standout moment in your designs. So no manual tweak, just instant clean designs. Next parts is a performance and accessibility. So WordPress 6.9 is a include the broad set the performance enhancement, a better the large content painful. You can see so metric HU improve the loading conditionals and inline the style sheet script loading, the fetch priority, support the additional score optimizations, editor advance and include the fixes layout, shifts, pause to the video block and faster loading so term sectors. Accessibility, so 17 plus accessibility fixes and enhancement focus on the central areas of the WordPress experience from the globally hiding. So CSS generated content from the accessibility, the technology and the improvement to the screen reader announcement and user experience to the fixing cursor positions and keeping typings. So focus when the autocomplete suggestions items, right? Then next, enhance detail the new blocks. So you can see the ability APIs, accept ratios galleries, accordion blocks, then after times read blocks and mathematical blocks and bind control external sources. Okay, everything is a new features are there. So if you guys has a news channel from my, so you can please subscribe for my channels and yeah. So thank you so much.